If you are waiting for your green card, or if you're on an H-1B, F-1, or any US visa right now, this video could literally change your life. Because in 2026, the US immigration system has gone through some of the biggest changes we've seen in years. New rules, landmark court decisions, major shifts in the Visa Bulletin. And if you don't know about these changes, you could lose your chance permanently. Today, I'm going to tell you everything your immigration lawyer might not be telling you. Stay until the end, because I have a secret tip that 90% of applicants completely miss. Let's get into it. Friends, before we dive in, let's understand why US immigration is such a hot topic in 2026. The Trump administration is back in power, and with it has come a massive wave of new immigration policies. On one side, executive actions. On the other side, courts pushing back. And right in the middle, you, waiting, hoping, planning your future. That's exactly why I made this video, because you deserve to know what's happening. Today we're going to cover 4 big things. Number 1, new green card rules for 2026. Number 2, major court decisions that affect you. Number 3, February 2026, Visa Bulletin, fully broken down. Number 4, exactly what you need to do right now. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with the biggest news, new green card rules in 2026. USCIS has announced that employment-based green cards, especially the EB-1A and EB-2 NIW categories, are going through a major rule modernization. New draft regulations are expected in 2026. Now, what does that actually mean for you? Here's what it means. If you're applying through extraordinary ability or national interest waiver, the standards are going to get stricter. So if you are currently eligible, apply now. Do not wait, because the bar that exists today will be even higher tomorrow. Second big update, the public charge rule. The Trump administration has proposed a new, stricter public charge rule. Under this rule, if any immigrant has used government benefits, food stamps, housing assistance, Medicaid, their green card application can be denied. This rule is expected to be finalized in early 2026. Pause. Look straight at camera. And here's the part that should really concern you. USCIS officers will now have unlimited discretion to decide who qualifies as a public charge and who doesn't. No fixed formula, no clear guarantee. It's entirely at the officer's judgment. If you've used any government benefits, talk to an immigration lawyer before you file anything. This is not optional anymore. This is survival. Write that down. Now let's talk about something the mainstream media hasn't covered enough. The court decisions that are reshaping immigration in 2026. Court decision number 1, the travel ban. Presidential Proclamation 10949 was signed in June 2025. Under this order, citizens from certain countries face a full entry ban into the United States. If you applied after January 1, 2026, and you don't have a valid visa already, entry is blocked. I'll cover the full list of affected countries in a separate video. Link will be in the description. Court decision number 2, Haitian TPS. In July 2025, a federal court ruled that the government cannot abruptly end the Temporary Protected Status Program. This means Haitian TPS holders are protected through February 2026. It was a major legal win, but it is not permanent. A review is coming in 2026, and the outcome is uncertain. Court decision number 3, asylum fees. For the first time in U.S. history, asylum seekers are now required to pay a fee to apply. This change is already in effect. If you're planning to file for asylum, be financially prepared. Dramatic pause. There is a real war happening right now between the courts and the government. And in that war, the ones who suffer the most are the people who aren't paying attention. Don't be one of those people. Now let's talk about something that millions of people Google every single month. The Visa Bulletin. What is it? Simple. The Visa Bulletin is an official government document that tells you which category of applicants is currently eligible to apply for a green card or immigrant visa. February 2026, Visa Bulletin, key numbers, family-sponsored visas, 226,000 available worldwide for 2026. Employment-based visas, 140,000 available. Per country cap, just 7%, which means roughly 25,620 visas per country. Now here's the real problem. India and China are by far the most impacted countries, because the demand from these countries is massively higher than that 7% limit. For employment-based green cards from India, the wait time can stretch into decades. Yes, decades. DV Lottery 2026. Critical update. If you are a DV 2026 selectee, a diversity visa lottery winner, you must complete your case by September 30th, 2026. If you don't have your visa by October 1st, your chance is gone. No extensions, no second chances. If that's you, treat this as your #1 priority. No delays. Employment SR category, religious workers. The special religious workers category became unavailable after January 30th, 2026. Unless Congress passes a legislative extension, this category is currently closed. We'll update you as soon as anything changes. Make sure you hit that bell icon. Show chart on screen. Visa Bulletin category breakdown. Don't let these numbers overwhelm you. I'll put a link in the description where you can check your own priority date. Take 5 minutes and check it today. Okay, now this is the secret tip I promised you at the beginning. And I promise you, most applicants have no idea this is happening. In 2026, USCIS and the Department of State have significantly expanded their use of social media surveillance in immigration cases. When you apply for a green card or go for a visa interview, officers are checking your social media profiles, Instagram, Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, LinkedIn, everything. One photo, one comment, one controversial post. Any of these can flag your case and affect your application. Look directly at camera. Applying for a family-based green card? Officers may review both your profile and your spouse's profile to determine if your relationship is genuine. If anything looks inconsistent, you could face rejection or an RFE. For employer-based visas, background checks on employers have also increased. Your entire work history, past visa applications, all of it is being cross-referenced. The golden rule right now is consistency. Whatever you wrote on your application, it must match everything online. One inconsistency can trigger a fraud investigation, and a fraud allegation, that can follow you for the rest of your immigration journey. Clean up your social media, check your privacy settings, be consistent everywhere. All right, let's make this practical. Here is exactly what you need to do right now. Step 1. Check your priority date. Find out your current priority date. Compare it against the February 2026 Visa Bulletin. The link is in the description. Do this today. Step 2. Organize your documents ID, proof of residency, employment records, all past immigration applications. Organize everything in one folder, both digital and physical copies. If USCIS asks for something, you want to be ready in 24 hours. Step 3. Stop using public benefits. If you are currently receiving any government assistance, consult an immigration attorney before filing for a green card. This is not the time to guess. Get professional advice. Step 4. Clean up your social media. Review your privacy settings on all platforms. Remove or archive any posts that could be misinterpreted. Make sure your story is consistent, online and on paper. Step 5. EB-1A or NIW eligible. File immediately. If you qualify for Extraordinary Ability or National Interest Waiver, stop waiting. File before the new stricter rules kick in. The window is closing. Don't miss it. Step 6. Talk to an immigration lawyer. These rules are changing so fast that handling this alone is a real risk. Think of a lawyer's fee not as an expense, but as an investment in your future. I know. This was a lot of information. New rules, court battles, visa bulletin numbers, background checks. It can feel overwhelming. But I want you to remember just one thing. The people who stay informed are always the ones who stay ahead. The fact that you watched this video until the end, that already puts you in the top 10% of applicants who are serious about their future. Pause. If this video helped you, do me one small favor. Hit like, and share this with someone you know who is going through the immigration process. One share could genuinely change someone's life. And drop a comment below. Tell me, what visa or green card category are you currently in? H-1B, EB-2, F-1, family-based? I read every comment and I'll do my best to reply personally. In my next video, I'm doing a complete step-by-step guide on EB-2 NIW, how to qualify, how to apply, and what the 2026 rule changes mean for you specifically. You won't want to miss it. Until then, stay informed, stay patient, and keep that American dream alive. See you in the next one.